Next is the different application architecture types. We will be starting with monolithic web applications architecture. In this architecture, all application functionality and responsibility lives inside one single code base. There is no separation or isolation of application functionality in the code base, which means any changes to the code base will require the entire code to be recompiled again and redeployed. Next is the layered or N-tier architecture. In this architecture, the application functionality and responsibility is separated logically into different layers. It is still one single code base and tightly coupled, similar to monolithic architecture. Layered and monolithic application architecture are less scalable in cloud. The next application architecture type is microservices. Microservices in software architecture is an approach to designing and building applications as a collection of small, independent, and loosely coupled services that work together to form a larger system. Each service represents a specific business capability, runs in its own process, and communicates with other services through lightweight mechanisms such as REST APIs, gRPC, or messaging queues. Each service can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently without affecting others. This is not the case with monolithic or layered application architecture. The next architecture type is serverless. In a serverless web application architecture, the underlying compute infrastructure where the application runs is fully managed by the CSP and is event-driven. What event-driven means is that when events in the application, such as a HTTP request, a file upload, or a database update is triggered, it is only then the compute resources are allocated for the application. The compute resources are then freed after the application is executed. The compute resources are billed only when an event occurs, while in other architecture types, the compute resources are billed from the moment they're provisioned until they're terminated or released.